The Hummingbird King. Too much activity there now, Kathy. Or unless you want to film the refill process.
They're all zipping around. Oop. That was a close-up.
Yeah, yeah.
You get one of yourself?
Close and
Whoa.
personal.
One just buzzed by my ear.
Buzzed your face?
Well, one...
They'll damn near hit you.
One went right up to the front of the camera.
Wow.
It's like, what is that?
You stand there and just hold still for like 2 minutes. They don't even know you're there.
Yeah. Justin stood there before and they've lit on his
That one had like a bug or something on its little beak.
Well, they've been, it's been gooey and they've been getting feathers on there, and I'm having to clean feathers off all the time.
Get up closer to where they can reach it, and then you just hold still. Dogs, get over here.
Rip it. Kitty, 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 kitty.
Is he doing it right, Justin?
You just gotta wait.
Yeah, they'll come around and get used to being there. And
Is his hand close enough, though?
yeah, there's one over there by it on the thing now.
I think when I was doing it, there was only one feeder at the time. Mom had taken the other one in the house, if I remember right. So, or there was just so many of them. Close, huh?
A little too much.
There was so many of them, they were just all circling and landing on my hand. And it's like they see you walk up there, then if you wait a minute or two, they've already forgotten. Yeah. I guess you can't have a very big brain inside of something that small.
A little bit of a stand up there like that.
Bear, was that you?
What you doing, huh? Oh, I know, I love you too. Yeah, I know.
The cat.
Yeah, you finally get them all in there, and then the cat.